Our site selection process started with 80 different sites.
This Nokian Tire project was one of the first cases where we truly came together and pulled all hands on deck and showed the power of all communities working together.
We were bound and determined to have Nokian here before they told us they were coming.
We had to move 1.4 million cubic yards of dirt. We had to extend water, power, sewer. There's a ton of work that had to be done.
The site really provided maximum flexibility for not only their initial construction phase, but then also future expansion.
There are a lot of areas in this country where you can have rail, you can have power, you can have a great site, but it's the people that really start to bring a project together and help a company feel to be part of the community.
A project like Nokian, where you're hiring hundreds of people at a time, you're literally impacting thousands, right? If you think about family members and extended family and how that impacts, and then small businesses in the community where, you know, the change in having 400 people go to work every day can completely change their business.
Since the beginning of the site selection process, Southeast Tennessee, Dayton, State of Tennessee, Rhea County have done an incredible job supporting us. And now we feel like it's our turn.
Nokian's doing a great job in training their employees and really investing in our community.
We've received such great feedback about the culture of Nokian Tire. To see them out in the community doing community service work and to take the time to teach their employees about their value system.
To build relationships with this community, to give back here, to be partners and do our part there. That's serving the community, that's filling needs here, and that's of course giving our employees better and better lives so that they can go home and be proud to work here and to look and say, this place isn't just an employer, this is a community partner.
You know, one of the reasons why communities focus on economic development is because they want to know that their children will have an opportunity, right? That they won't have to leave, that they'll have an opportunity to stay and grow and build a career in their hometown. And so I think that that really is what's being presented through the Nokian project. We're excited to see it. I think this is really just the beginning, and I think the company views it that way too, that this is a very long-term relationship.
When we first hired our workers, before they ever touched a tire, they did 1,200 combined hours of community service among the launch team members. We're here to help achieve impact in this community where we've been so warmly welcomed by leaders, by people walking up to us on the street when they see Nokian Tyres logo and say, we're so glad you're here.
The great future that's coming with Nokian and Rhea County, I think what a partnership, you know, there's going to be great things ahead, and I think we've just begun. Thank you for all you've put in Rhea County and believing in us, and we're going to do the same for Nokian.
We're here, we're excited, and we can't wait to continue this beautiful journey together.